Crazy deals and crazy sales are happening everywhere, and Amazon really does a good job at it. And I'm very happy to bring to you some crazy discounts that Amazon has brought through in the beauty and fashion category. Just hang on, some amazing lipsticks that I have discovered, which I will take you through in the video, and some sweatshirts, some kurtas, some fancy shararas. It's a combination of beauty and fashion, perfect for the season right now. Just hang on. Hey Joy Geeks, I welcome you back. For the ones who are new here, I'm Aparna Ganesh. I create tons of beauty content here and fashion as well. I welcome you to this video, which is an Amazon haul video with beauty and fashion. I'm going to straight jump into it. If you haven't subscribed already, just take a second. It won't cost you any money. Just hit that little smiley that you see on the screen. Just hit that and you will be subscribed. So Amazon, as usual, has brought some crazy deals. I love the Amazon discounts, and I am a huge Jeff Bezos fan, who's the founder of Amazon. And I think the service has been very good. So I'm excited to bring to you some products that I got from there, which is a combination of beauty and fashion, like I said. So straight jumping in. So the first thing I got, keeping the situation in mind that the wedding season is up, of course we want to wear lipsticks, and I know you're dying to know which lipstick I'm wearing. I'll just share with you. This is a mask friendly lipstick, and in a bullet format, that it does not transfer, and it came in a bullet. Can you even guess which lipstick I'm talking about? This lipstick is from Colorbar. It's the Kiss Proof lipstick. It's not a new launch, but I hadn't tried it earlier, so I was excited to try this. I'm so glad I did this. This is a shade called Wild Peach, and it just glided through like makhan on my lips. It felt really nice. You can see the swatch at the back of the hand, just one swipe and solid pigmentation. It feels really comfortable on the lip. I mean, I would say it's a 10% chip on the lip, but it really stays a long time. I have tried it before. I am showing this to you on screen so that I can give you a quick review. And I have got another lipstick which I will show you at the end after I finish the clothing haul. But about this, I think this shade looks beautiful. For my skin, I'm NC42, and I think this will even work for darker skin tones. The one thing I want you to remember is that with this lipstick, after you eat a meal, some of it will go off, and typically like liquid lipstick, you cannot easily touch it up, I feel. You need to remove the whole thing, and then when you apply a new one, this works very well. Okay, apart from that, I think this is a phenomenal lipstick, and of course it's on big sale on Amazon. So go grab it while you can get it at a really good price. I have been showing you a lot of kurtas, so in this video first I want to start with a sweatshirt. I love this color, and this is from Only. It's really one of my favorite brands. This is a hoodie which I love, and it's not too thick, not too thin, but keeps me decently warm. This is for $2,499, but of course I got it much cheaper. I will add the details of it on screen. This is in the shade Merlot in the size medium, and what I like is that it's so simplistic. It just says hope. It's a very comfortable wear. I can just feel it when I hold it. It also has these pockets here, open looped pockets, these kinds, which I think is very nice and comfortable, and I think this is a great buy. And I also saw that this was available in plenty of colors, so you can check that out. Today I'm going to jump from one beauty, one fashion, one beauty, one fashion, just to see how that goes. I want to show you this wonderful skincare brand which is called Want. Now I have used their face wash, which looks like this. It's very gentle. You do not have some major lather on the face. It's very cream based. This is something I had used earlier. I have used a couple of more things from Want, but because I really liked the brand, and I love the smell of Want product, which is very gentle, very mild, doesn't seem too chemically. If you do not like Ayurvedic products, you can go ahead with Want stuff. This is a daisy extract with vitamin B face wash. That is what this is called. Everyday basics for healthy glowing skin. This is only $5.45. Of course, on Amazon it's on good discounts. Now, because I have been using stuff from Want and I loved it, I went and got another beautiful new launch of theirs. This is called the Calm Cream, and this is meant for all skin types. Okay, I really like this. This is a neutral solution. I will show you what this looks like. What I like about these Want products is that it's very gentle. None of it I felt was very overtly greasy. See, it's very quick to absorb, it's very light, and they all have this really gentle fragrance to it, which I absolutely love Want products. There is a certain smell. I do not know how to describe it. You know, like I would say it's a very gentle fragrance, like how you would like your babies to smell. I don't know. I don't think these are meant for babies, but I really like this. About the Calm Cream, whether you're looking for a soothing moisturizer to finish up your acid and actives packed routine or need a no-frills finisher to keep your skincare simple, the Calm Cream is here for you. I'm typically the second type of skincare person who wants no frills, just something simple, feels extremely hydrating. That is what is important. They also have a hydrator. Let me know if you want me to do a detailed Want skincare video and showcase all the products that I have from Want. I would love to do that because it's nice. It's nice. You can definitely try that out and check the link so that you can go and explore some more if you want. I love W as a brand, and this is a kurta I got, which I thought was really smart, by the way. This is such a simple kurta but so nice. I am in the size 8. It has the sleeves folding option here, and it's a band gala with buttons that you can keep open if you want. I just really like this. I want you to look at this print closely. I like this little detailing W has. I love how understated and classy this is. And what I did was to pair this up. See, definitely you can wear a white chudidar or a white pant, pencil pant, all of those things. But I got these metallic pants. If I wear this, suddenly if there's a slightly more formal kind of occasion, I could wear this with this. This is a Go Colors. I had shared a golden color pant earlier. This is a silver color pant. This is in the size large I got. I think medium would also fit me, but I just felt I like to keep it loose around my waist. So I really like this finish. It's very comfortable. And I think as a set, these two work really well. See, when the wedding season is up, there is definitely a lot more shimmer that we use. There's Christmas, there's New Year. I feel that for all these occasions, shimmer works beautifully, and I'm so excited that I got this. I actually didn't know how this would work. This just says it's from Sugar Grand Finale Highlighting Setting Mist. I will show you what this is like. It's a spray bottle. Doesn't focus. Let me spray this here and show that here. Maybe I've kept it too close. Okay, this is too close. I didn't need it like that. And this is not how I'll spray it on my face. Okay, now I'm not sure you're able to see that. When I say chak chak chak, I can see that this section is all highlighted, but in a very natural way. It doesn't have chunky kind of glitter particles or anything. It's a highlighting setting mist. Overall, you'll get a glowy look, and of course, please do it from far because I did so close. It was kind of patchy and heavy drops came. Okay, let me put it on my neck and see. The thing is, only after it kind of settles, do you see the effect. Okay, I don't have any makeup on my neck, so I'm just quickly doing it out here. Okay, I guess you will see the effect of it through the video if you can, but I feel you can see it more in person, and maybe when we click pictures, that subtle glow from within will show up. So I really like this product. The next one is a really fun kind of a kurta, I thought. I know I've been showing a lot of kurtas. This is one more very pretty kurta from the brand called the Hope. This I got in the size 36 small. Just look at it. It has this work on the neck. I think it looks pretty fancy, and especially for the price. This has a little bell sleeve going. I haven't been really wearing bell sleeves, but for fun I thought why not. It has this little pattern here. It has some detailing in the bottom as well. And the exciting thing about this is that again, this is not like a palazzo. This is a gharara, sharara, whatever you call it. I always get confused between the difference between a sharara and a gharara. So whatever this is, I think it's very exciting and it's very fancy, I felt. And for somebody like me especially, who I don't know how often will I be able to wear this, at this price point, it's a great thing because it's so affordable and so comfortable to wear. Now I'm going to show you, these are 2 nail paints that you can get a discount on Amazon. I really like this guy's cosmetics for various reasons. Now these are supposed to be happy, healthy nails. It's supposed to be much better for the health of our nails. So I'm quickly going to use this 104 shade. Okay, I'm just going to put on 2 fingers. It's a dark pink color, magenta kind of pink. The finish of this is not matte, it is shiny, it is glossy. So for the wedding season, this could be really nice. And the other color I got, this is 109. This is a mushy mauve. I will just put this at least in 1 finger. Such a pretty nude mauve shade, will suit across all skin tones. Very nice. I will say this stayed a pretty decent time. See, most nail polishes don't stay on my fingertips more than a day or 2, but I would say this lasted still fine. I like the the brush applicator and all of those things. So check this out. I want to show you another outfit that I have figured out to wear either as casual wear or make it fancy at a budget. Alright, now this is another kurta from W itself. I have shared this with you. I have this in the color cream. I have got this in the shade orange. There are so many colors in this. It's a very basic straight on cotton kurta which lasts forever, and I like this detailing as usual on the sleeve. You can fold it up. All those possibilities are there. And I'll tell you what I did. I got this, right, and I got this dupatta which looks quite rich. And if I want, I can just wear this with this black kurta and suddenly this will look all fancy. I will wear this and show you. That is when you will know. And this dupatta was hardly 300 something. Of course it's not, it's some synthetic material, it's not some silk or any of those things, but it's still okay for sometimes when I want to just, you know, have some gold and shimmer and all those things. I could wear this, and if I remove the dupatta, this will be a very smart cotton casual kurta. Anyway, I could wear this even with jeans or with churidars or pencil pants, whatever I wish. Alright, now I want to show you the next lipstick shade that I had kept for the end, which is again from the same range, Colorbar's Kiss Proof lipsticks. This is the shade called My Maroon. It is a maroon berry shade kind of a color. I think again for the wedding season, for Christmas, for New Year, the shade would look so good. Let's do the transfer test. Nothing. It's not a new launch, but I'm glad I got my hand on it to try it out. And you must try it out and let me know if you want, like I said, if you want a whole video on all the swatches, I'll get that done, because when I like a formula, it deserves my love. But I also want to be sure that you really want it. Now, this is pretty much what I got in my Amazon haul, which is beauty and fashion, or my recommendations to you for what you should pick up from the Amazon wonderful sale. So let me know in comments what other videos you'd like me to watch, and stay in touch with me on Instagram as well. My handle is Joy Geeks and my personal handle is Aparna Ganesh with a double H. I love to interact with you there and the comments. So I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.